Hello and welcome. This video tutorial is brought to you by Webzine Online, www.webzineonline.com. Okay, today we're going to be covering post categories and tags. Basically what that is when you create a post, it asks you to place it in a category, or you should place it in a category. It'll place itself in a default category if you don't. And tags, which is a hierarchy of almost under categories, is what it is. But let me show you how they're used here. Okay, on Webzine Online, for instance, under videos, there's WordPress 101 and Fireworks 101. Okay, video tutorials is actually a category. It goes, if you notice up here, it goes to the category video tutorials. Now, under that category is all the videos that I'm making. They're all video tutorials, and under each one of those, notice that the video tutorial also is posted in the category video tutorials and WordPress 101. So I can break those tutorials down. So since these are posted in both of these, they show up in both of these. See what I mean? But some of them, for instance, would be posted in the image resizing, would be posted in video tutorials and Fireworks 101. So you wouldn't find it in the WordPress 101. Well, let's show you in the back end how that works. Alright, let's just go to the dashboard real quick. Let's go to posts, and let's show you here. Okay, each of these has a category. Notice these are all the WordPress 101 post images and custom menus and featured images. These are all the video tutorials I've been doing. The categories they're placed into are over here on the side. Fireworks 101, video tutorial, and WordPress 101. Obviously, this video here has to do with both WordPress and Fireworks, and it's always a video tutorial, so it'll show up in all three of the categories. Okay? Now, how it's used in the page. Let's look at the edit. Over here in the category side, you'll notice that all categories, it's placed in Fireworks 101, video tutorials, and WordPress 101. If I was to do a new one for something else, maybe PC 101, I could simply add a new category down here, PC 101, and add it in. You see what I mean? So I could say PC 101 and add that category in, and it would show up in the list now. So I now have a category PC 101 that I could point things to. You see what I mean? That I could categorize it in. Alright? Well, we're not going to use that. In fact, I'm going to run over real quick to the categories and show you that. This is the category section. It's under the post section, categories. Notice that I can make new categories here, and I can also edit existing categories. Like PC 101, I want to delete it. And let's look at WordPress 101. Edit. The edit on the category shows WordPress. The slug is WordPress-101. It doesn't have a parent category, but you can place categories in parents, which is a hierarchy, one above the other. Alright, let's move to tags now. So if we go back to posts, and we look at a post, usually a post has some tags in the bottom that describe what it's about. This is about featured images. It's a video tutorial. It's WordPress. Okay? And it probably needs to put Fireworks in there. So I could choose from my common tags, or I could put the tag in up here. I'm going to place Fireworks in and come up and update it so that it's now in the Fireworks, has a tag called Fireworks. Now the way tags can work is they can actually separate subcategories or subcategories. So if in two different categories, completely different categories, I had a tag about rubber, okay, maybe there was something to do with rubber, and I tagged them in both, the search engines can find both of those associated with each other by their tag, is the idea. Okay? And that's a little bit about how tags work. And let me tell you about tags. Let's go and look at another website. Let's see, this is indieartistradio.net. Notice that they have lots of tags. If I go up into their tags and take a look, there's a lot of tags here. There is literally 132 tags here. Or no, 2,636 items. Post-wise, if you look at the posts, there's 443 published posts, 442 published posts. Each of these have their own tags. They're in their own categories. Notice some are in multiple categories. If I go to the next page, well, try to go to the next page. There we go. Well, it's the last page. But notice summary beat wire is one of the tags in a news category. On Trail Crony, here's how they're used. Categories are used to separate the different types of articles. There's bird watching, hiking, horseback riding, mountain biking, MX riding, snowshoeing, trail aid, trail news. You see that? And the tags are what's involved in each of the posts. Antibiotics, alpine, 29er, birds. It's really pretty simple. So just remember when tagging that you want to state a single or double words. Don't go beyond that. And try to use words that associate to the post. Okay? I hope that helps you. Good luck.